Do-It-Yourself Watch Club sent this out to me. This is their 40mm diver that I just put together. If I have to have one complaint out the gate, it is that their website needs a massive improvement. I had a real problem linking up with the instructional videos, so I just followed a couple of YouTube videos. So with that said, if anything's out of order, that's because I just kind of went for it. Let's get into the build. Okay. Dial, the movement. This is a Seiko NH35 movement. The bezel, the case, and crown. By the way, guys, today I'm wearing the Christopher Ward Super Compressor Elite. So apparently there's going to be some tools under here. That's pretty much it. So let's do it. We're going to start off by removing the case back and removing the crown. Okay, so let me take a second here and see if I can show you this under magnification. But if you look right here, when I push the crown in and then pull it back out, you'll see a little piece that pops out right here where my finger's at. See it just push in, and then pops out, in, out. That is the piece that you need to push down on in order to remove the crown. Now that we have the crown back in, we are going to install the dial. And as you'll see, the dial has two little pegs that come off of it. There's going to be a slot for that. Okay, well, here's the thing. Due to poor recording, turned out a couple of my cameras I was recording with had no focus, so I had to take the watch apart to reshoot some of the stuff that I didn't get, and that's why you're going to notice some of this footage. I am not wearing finger gloves, so we are going to give this another run. Alright, I'm turning until the date just sets, and then that is how I know where my 12 o'clock marker goes. So I'm going to set my hour hand. I don't know how, but that looks really good. You do want to check and make sure the hand is level, that it's not tilted. And actually this one is tilted a little bit, so there we go. The same with the minute hand. These parts are really small, so they're a little tough. Before you go pressing down there, you want to get that in place. Now, I was fortunate enough to have the Do-It-Yourself Watch Club send me this second-hand installer. And I say fortunate enough because I don't think that I would have got it done otherwise. This second hand is absolutely tiny. I'm going to get your second hand. I'm sure you guys couldn't see that, but there's a tiny little hole right there in the center that the hand moves to. So basically it's an alignment tool. Should have the second hand right over top of the little post. Give her a little push down, and if that was correct, then I should be able to pop this up and kind of work the just going to double check to make sure that that second hand is on there. And we're going to take that This thing right here, guys, I know it looks just like a piece of plastic, but I believe it's around $20. If you're gonna buy this kit, I cannot suggest enough that you get one of these. And the cool thing is that it fits the NH35 movement, so if you do Seiko mods, this tool will come in handy time and time again. This is when you want to inspect all of the hands to make sure that there is no rubbing, that the spacing on the posts are good, otherwise you could potentially rub the crystal. Thing has a nice clearance all the way around. Everything looks nice and flat. So we are going to take the crown back out so we can case up the movement. This is going to help you get the case about where you need it. Check your alignment. Make sure everything is lined up. Looks pretty good. Alright, movement's in. Reset the crown. There we go. Reset the back. Let's throw a strap on it and see what it looks like. I'd say all in all, it was kind of a cool experience. I just want to say thank you to Do It Yourself Watch Club for sending me out their 40mm diver. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.